Hey everybody, Sincerely Legenia here. Welcome back to my channel. Are you new here? If so, welcome. I'm Sincerely Legenia. I make keto recipe videos and I vlog and I do a lot of other stuff. I'd love for you to stick around, so hit that subscribe button and then go on over and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Tonight, you all, I am in the mood for Brussels sprouts. So I am going to be making my delicious garlic Parmesan fried Brussels sprouts, and I want you to see just how I do it. So stick around and watch. All right, I have my Brussels sprouts here that I've already cut and I've halved. And in another video that I did where I was making some garlic Brussels sprouts, you'll see how I clean those and how I cut them. Very simple. Just take off the dirty leaves, cut them in half, so on and so forth. But I've got them soaking right now. I let them do this so that all the dirt and grit and all that stuff soaks to the bottom. And then I rinse them. And then we're going to get them in our deep fryer, ready to go. All right, so I have my Brussels sprouts on the paper towel here. They are drying. I'm getting all of that water out before I put them in to our deep fryer here. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm getting ready to drop the Brussels sprouts into the deep fryer here. I am using coconut oil. And let me show you the kind of coconut oil I'm using. I'm using Nature's Way coconut oil. This is what I'm using. Now I'm getting ready to make the garlic butter that I'm gonna pour over my Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna start here with 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's get that on out there. And then I'm just gonna use some ready-made minced garlic rather. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of minced garlic in here. All right, and then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Our Brussels sprouts appear to be floating to the top. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna take these out. Oh, and they smell divine. Oh, they smell so good. Now I'm gonna transfer the Brussels sprouts onto a paper towel to get the remainder of the excess grease off of them. While they're hot, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle them with some pink Himalayan salt. From here, I'm gonna sprinkle on this Parmesan cheese. Yum. Oh, it smells so good. And then we have our garlic butter sauce. Our garlic butter sauce. Just drizzle it on, and you don't have to use all of that. And there you have it. Keto garlic Parmesan fried Brussels sprouts. Yummy. Of course you know it's time to taste. All right, here we go. Delicious. I love them. Brussels sprouts is one of those vegetables that you have just got to know how to make. And this right here is so delicious. The Parmesan cheese and the garlic butter sauce make it even better. Nice, easy, quick snack. Or you can even have this as a meal, a full meal. I love it, and I hope you get an opportunity to try it. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to put this little snack together. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by and learning about this great keto snack. I hope you guys try it. If you do, please leave a comment and let me know how you enjoyed it. I will see you next time in my next video. Until then, have a blessed and prosperous day. God bless you. Sincerely, Legenia.
It's delicious. It's wonderful.
it.